Hello and, hello and namaste. Welcome back to my channel G Info Nepal. Today I'm going to show you that how to develop AUC ROC curve using ArcGIS. Let's open ArcGIS. I already have opened it. So uh, this to add the ArcSTM toolbox. So to add the ArcSTM toolbox, go to this Arc toolbox. I already opened it. So right click in Arc toolbox and click Add toolbox. And you have to this Arc STM tool. So select this and click open. I already added this Arc STM tool. So you have to select this tool and click open here. Then after a while you can get Arc STM toolbox in your Arc map window. And you have to expand this tool. There is 5 categories, in which in the third place there is ROC tool. So I expand it. Here is the calculate ROC curve and AUC values tool. So I am going to double click it. Uh, my model, which I have prepared and want to check its accuracy using AUC ROC curve, and I have to categorize two categories of ground truth data. That means first one is rice field location and second one is non-rice field location. I'm going to check the accuracy of rice field location. So rice field location is my true positive value, and non-rice field location is my true negative value. So after both these data, this model evaluate the true positive rate and false positive rate. True positive rate means the accurately assign the rice field location in the rice field location of the model, and false positive rate means assign the uh, rice field is a non-rice field or non-rice field is a rice field. So greater the true negative rate means lower the accuracy, and vice versa. So here I already opened the tool. To do this, I take the projection system. Both three projection system must be same. That means the ground truth data sets and this model. So at first, in true positive value, I drag and drop this rice field location. Similarly, non-rice field location is a true negative field, and this rice non-rice map is a model. So as a classification model, I use this rice non-rice map. So based on this ground truth dataset, it evaluates the performance of this model, and I have to assign the folder where I want to save this ROC curve. So inside the project, I have assigned the folder destination folder. Okay, this much for the parameter assignment. So click OK for run this model. Some time. Okay, completed. So let's check the graph. Okay, this is my graph with 95% accuracy. So in this way, you can calculate the AUC graph from your ground truth dataset. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share, subscribe my channel.